right. Here we come to the elevators at 1 Harbour Square, and we got Andrew up front.
Yep, these are original.
Westinghouse.
Why did people say let's listen to it? Press 1.
Let's get the other elevator car.
Let's see the airlock and stuff goes. Yeah, open this one, please. I don't know who these are. That's not a Westinghouse airlock. This is weird. Let's see if we go with it. The door closes instantly.
One of the bulbs are burned out.
This is actually a very interesting elevator. I have no idea who did this. These look like AE buttons. And it has the Westinghouse alarm bell button. But it's got a, what looks like a GAL interlock. So this is really interesting. This is a very interesting one.
And that's it.